Hi, my name is Javier Montanez, and I'm gonna talk very quick about a course that I'm taking for Unity. The name of the course is Environmental Issue, Deforestation, Biodiversity Law, and Overpopulation. This week was very exciting. We set our understanding in what species diversity is and the different level of diversity that we can define. Also, this is gonna work as a foundation for the rest of the weeks. So we just starting learning. I'm just excited to keep learning. Hello guys, this is my second week for the course Environmental Issue, Deforestation, Biodiversity Loss, and Overpopulation. So this week was very fascinating as well. We learned about Keystone Species and how to differentiate them from the same ecosystem species. Also, something that I love work in this week was doing a social ecological framework about the course project, and that was very exciting and very productive. Hi guys, in this third week of the course Environmental Issue, Deforestation, Biodiversity Law, and Overpopulation, we did some research about a current practice that have been made to mitigate the biodiversity law, focusing in our topic project. Also, we learned how overconsumption leads to the biodiversity loss. Hi guys, in this fourth week of the course Environmental Issue about deforestation, biodiversity loss, and overpopulation, we learn and define the direct and indirect relationship between deforestation and overpopulation. We also look for some example of pollution that has been affecting our ecosystem. And for last, we did some swag idea that has been implemented and been successful. At the same time, we implement that in our course project. Hi guys, in this last week of the course Environmental Issue about deforestation, biodiversity loss, and overpopulation, we differentiate between ecosystem monitoring and management. We also explain how environmental leadership and education can save our ecosystem. And we did a reflection essay about what we learned in all these 5 weeks and where we are right now and where we're looking for as a professional and as an individual. So this is a job of every one of us, not just one person. So in these 5 weeks, we learn a lot about biodiversity loss and overpopulation and how this is been affecting our ecosystem. Thank you.